Monday, August 9th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Something different. Today I'll be installing a Houm outdoor security camera. Never done it before. Let's open up the box, see what we got inside. You know where I got it from, right? Here we go. Ethernet cord. Nothing special. What's next? I see a power adapter. Yep, sure is. Okay. Screwdriver. Should have known. Why not? Here's the camera. Got some weight to it. Let me get it out this box. Seems heavy duty. Nice. I like it. Got a few more things. Of course, the manual. Can't go without this. Keep that close by. Screws, anchors. Definitely. Let's do it. Just taking a quick peek at the manual. See what I'm dealing with. Like I said, this is my first time. Looks like you scan the QR code to get started. That way you can upload the app on your cell phone. You'll sign up by using your email address. Then they'll send you a code. And then after that, you can establish a password. Very simple. Anybody can do it. You can too. Think I might set this camera up in the front. So I'll connect this plug to the power adapter. Won't be using the Ethernet. Doesn't seem too complicated. Here's the antenna. Have to screw it onto the camera. Oh, don't want to mess that up. Really need it. To screw on the antenna, you have to take that cap off this gold thread. And in order to screw the antenna onto the camera, you'll have to take the Allen wrench, and it comes with the box. I forgot to tell you. Take the Allen wrench and unscrew the screws on the camera so you can flip it up or down. At this point, you only have to unscrew one screw. It's the one at the elbow. Got that on. No problem. I guess you'll adjust the antenna based on how you or where you install your camera. I have to take another look at the manual to see what's going on. Got this thing plugged up. I'm looking for a green and yellow flash. I don't see anything. Here's the Ethernet connector. I'm sure this one is for a monitor. Nope. No green, no yellow. See a speaker, another QR code, but no flash. Here we go. Got him. No need to panic. Figured it out. These lights are purple, but they're actually red, believe it or not. Okay. So far, so good. Let's keep going. Think it's best to install the camera in the back for now. Have another one, so maybe that'll go in the front. By the way, the QR code that's on the camera, you'll have to scan that to finish with the setup. There's nothing to it. Anybody can do it. If I did it, you can too. Helps you connect to the network or whatever network you'll be connected to. Again, it's real easy. Use your phone, follow the directions. You'll be okay. Trust me. So this is just part one of the assembly installation for the outdoor camera. Take it outside, wrap all this up. We're going to come back. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.